Premtobre Kasee na we social near the more concern for Fromo Kane Auditor General Daniel Domelovo and what they are dream be Abba Sanke Beya dream dear Ketase Shane and some Kayeno and Kayan Crankre Bina one more a year Yamushamunu ye pi bet me a boana yama quine so na say a buying lawyer penny in Eshishamun Sokrana and Kai Mubaya fine omnia dear Hokrano. Nenti ase wo ho no wo fom kakra na emom ni nsusie mu no se ye bie mu man krankra bi ahwehwe me betumi aboa ama botaye sie ni so pese ye kontia keta ase hye no proye titi wo aban nwuma mu ahodo no ebetumi aboa Adom Kasee etwaso
Mfie aduonu mu ani na agbomafia togbe afede a wotosudu nan ebeye wo hene ewo Asogli State ne senti wonum aye anti-corruption forum ewo brekora na wonum edi bayire afahye no na dwumadie na se no Daniel Domelovo ya no ye kane Auditor General ekwase bia wodi tuja se ehu behia se wobaye nsesanye ewo omen amamrem na wodi tumi ahyemanfo nyina nsem se de beya obentumi aye hwehwemu afa aban adwumayefo ene wonum a okura dibre ahodo a wodi wo hu efore ketase ene proyimu.
Let's fight to commercialize the prosecution of corruption instead of leaving it in the hands of the Attorney General, who is a member of the looting brigade. So the law should allow, it is an offense against all of us. So a group of accountants and lawyers can team up, investigate a crime, and go to court. And if they are able to recover the money, a good portion should be given to them.
Kane Auditor General Daniel Domelovo esanso di tuja se kesase hye eye yareboni a abesra oman Ghana.
We've heard a lot about corruption, and it has been defined that it is the deadliest disease that has ever visited our country. I checked yesterday, and Google told me that 1.3 million people die in road accidents alone because of our bad roads. Because somebody is having the road money in his or her pocket.
Togbe afede awoto sudu nai kasaye mu en wachire mu se braso se esgracia woye ensesanye ewo mu.
I would like to take this opportunity. They have been quiet, and I warn them that we are facing a great danger. I would like also to bring to the attention of former President Kufuor that it is time to talk. He has been too silent.